gentlemen, good afternoon. One of the major problems our country has been facing is the poverty. You all be saying this term but have no idea what it really is. Poverty is hunger and lack of shelter. Poverty is sick and not being able to see a doctor. Poverty is not having access to school and not knowing how to read and write. Poverty is losing a child to illness because of unclean water. Poverty is not having a job and lack of freedom. I chose this topic because it affects me, it affects you, it affects me, it affects all of us. Because we live in a nation where poverty can be seen wherever we go. We also see street children homeless and able to eat rice a day. They don't have proper clothes. In order to resolve these problems, first focus on improving education, access to quality. Second, additional funds in healthcare. Third, social protection. Lastly, promoting economic growth through infrastructure. I'm Jaden Crystal, please reporting.